I'm sitting in the team room in our state-of-the-art semiconductor fabrication facility, or what we call the Fab. This is the beating heart of Intel and is one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities, with vast ultra-pure cleanroom spaces and hundreds of finely tuned process tools, most costing millions of dollars each. Here in Ireland, we manufacture around 50% of Intel's 14nm microprocessor products, which are vital for our modern lives. The microprocessor is arguably the most complex product made by humans. But, like everything in life, practice makes perfect, and we never stop looking for ways to improve. This is the Microsoft HoloLens 2, and today I'm going to give you a first-hand user experience of wearing this, while one of our manufacturing technicians fixes one of the complex tools in the fab behind us. Let's take a tour. Working at some of the smallest known geometries means our manufacturing process is extremely complex. Every piece of maintenance has to be performed precisely to ensure our factory is efficient, reliable, and always improving. This is one of our etching stations, and this is Connor, one of the content experts in the area. He's about to perform some routine maintenance and provide us with a glimpse of AR in action. He will perform some day-to-day checks as he replaces a failing fan unit to improve the particle performance in the tool. The filter fan is located at the top of a production tool and is responsible for forcing a steady stream of air through the tool. This creates slight pressure differences between the production environment and the fab environment. The fan units are held in a grid located above the tool. Power connections and screws must be removed. The failing fan unit is then replaced and the process is reversed to get the tool back up to production. There is a huge amount of automation in a state-of-the-art environment like this, but people are still at the heart of what we do. Their expertise is critical, and they oversee and perform the essential maintenance and repair of our tools. AR is integral to our manufacturing processes worldwide, from maintenance and repair tasks and enabling us to communicate remotely, to troubleshooting internationally and preparing interactive training materials. The microprocessor is the product of 50 years research and development. We have defied the impossible to empower the lives of every person on Earth. This is just a snapshot of the vast possibilities we have in Intel. We hope that you join us in the near future for the next steps in our incredible journey.